is just, yeah, it's pretty wide. Feels big, feels very intimidating, I'm not gonna lie, to drive. Gearbox feels pretty smooth. You've got your passenger display, which is pretty cool right there.
Really cool.
Yeah, but gearbox is instant, but the steering is so direct. I mean, all Ferraris are direct, but this is extreme. Yeah. And then I'm very aware. What do you think? We go straight? I think we go straight here.
Straight.
I'm very aware of the fact that I've got 780 horsepower straight to the rear wheels. Oh wow, the noise, naturally aspirated V12. I really hope we're able to enjoy engines like this for a little while longer. I'm really not going to push it to start with because this thing is a beast. The seats are comfy, they're very similar to the ones I've got in my Scuderia. Very comfortable, but pretty hard. I mean,